Okay, Unit 1, Corrective 1, Competency 5, Evaluate and Write Expressions. Evaluating expressions just means we're going to substitute the negative 8 for x, we're going to substitute the 2 for y, and then we're going to simplify until we have just one number, or as far as we can go anyway. So I'm going to substitute negative 8 for x and 2 for y, and I'm going to do it negative 8 and 2. I probably should have given myself a little bit more space there. All right. And I'm just going to follow the order of operations now. Okay, so nothing is happening inside my parentheses. I just used them to substitute, so I would know I was multiplying 2 and negative 8, and multiplying 3 and 2, and not that I had the number 32. So nothing's actually happening inside the parentheses. There are no exponents. So I'm going to multiply first. 2 times a negative 8 would be a negative 16. Bring down my plus. 3 times 2 is 6. And now I'm going to do my addition. And I want to add the negative 16 and 6 first, because when I subtract that, it's going to be pretty easy. And since 16 is bigger, my answer is negative. And both 10 and 12 are negative, so I'm going to add those together and get negative 22. 27, so I'm going to substitute 4 for the x. And 2 for the y. And the z will be 12. Okay, let me make sure I erase that correctly. Negative 3y, 2x minus z. Okay. So, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Inside the parentheses, I've got 2 times 4 minus 12. So I'm going to do that first. 2 times 4 would be 8, minus 12 would be a negative 4. And there are no exponents, and all I've got left to do is multiply. So a negative times a positive is still negative. A negative times this negative would make it positive. 3 times 2 is 6, times 4 is 24. Okay. Oh, I forgot to make sure, yep, that was right. Forgot to check my answers on that one. All right, number 28. I am substituting negative 3 for x. Whoops, wrong button. And negative 3 for x down here. Okay, and then y is a negative 7. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. All right, nothing is happening inside the parentheses, but I may want to go ahead and change that, keep change, just to deal with that right now. All right, exponent. I do have an exponent this time. So that's going to be negative 3 squared. Negative 3 times a negative 3 would be a positive 9. And I bring everything else Done. Multiplication is going to be 36 there. I'm just going to erase it and put it there. And a -6 there. Then my addition, 36 plus 5 would be 41. Yeah. -6 plus 7 is going to be +1. Whoops. And anything divided by 1 is just itself, so 41 is my answer. All right, now we're translating, because part of this competency was to write expressions. So we're translating from English to math. Sum is the answer when we add. And we're adding 11 and a number. And the number, we don't know what it is, so we're going to call it n, we could call it x, we could call it p, whatever you want to call it. All right, 4 more than means that we're adding 4 to something. Product is the answer when we multiply, so I know I'm multiplying something. And I'm multiplying 15 and a number. So 15n plus 4.